Hello, so this is G again, and this is gonna be my day one of doing my build in public video for AI for Pinoys, and I'm the creator of AI for Pinoys. It's a platform where I teach Filipinos, how to utilize AI into their daily work and daily lives, especially in their businesses. So I wanted to do it like for Filipinos, naman, no? So I'll be speaking in Taglish because this the primary audience po natin dito, it will be mga Pinoy. So medyo weird lang yung awkward lang yung first day, day one ko ng build in public. But yeah, anyway, I just want to share yung nakita niyo sa screen. This is actually gumawa lang ako ng LinkedIn post today of the success ng AI Images 101 webinar last Wednesday, no? So nagbigay ako ng webinar last Wednesday for Nano Banana. There were 8 people who joined, no? So nakakatuwa lang because at least natulungan ko yung 8 people na yun to to uh, to do the right prompting, and maganda yung mga feedback. Like one of them used his old image ng nagde-design siya ng jewelry, and then ginamit niya sa Nano Banana, and pati siya nagulat how it came out, no, na mukhang naging luxury item yung sketch lang niya ng jewelry a few years back, no. Ayun nga sinasabi ko, like when you start using these AI tools, uh, malaking factor yung mga hindi natin nagagawa before, pwede natin magawa ngayon, especially in terms of brand or visually looking at, or visually making something that are we plan to do, or yung mga ideas natin before into reality. So isa nga naisip ko na gawin is like coming up with a vision board using Nano Banana, no? Um, Another thing is, yun nga, I've been busy working on this platform called AI for Pinoys. Hindi ko sure kung, I'm sure nakita nyo na to, or for some people who's been watching this video, kahit nalilimang subscriber lang po. Ang ginawa ko talaga is because I really wanted to help educate yung mga co-Filipinos. Kasi isa sa yan naging problema ko in running a business before. I didn't know if I had like AI, or had like an AI assistant, or that AI technology, it would have been a lot easier, and it would have been siguro ngayon successful. It wouldn't have been a failed business because I would have utilized the technology, no, to do more things, no, like social media, financial processing, tawag dito, strategic thinking or strategic planning, business creation, like business plan, making sure that the business plan is okay, mga ganyan, no? So, ang daming use cases ngayon ng AI na pwede kong siyang gamitin way before. Kaya ginawa ko tong AI for Pinoys, no? So that people can be more educated, like unlike I wasn't, no? So, at least alam nila. So, very simple lang naman siya. Proud lang ako sa ginawa to. I've been working on this for quite a while. And yun nga, I just showcase yung mga different business solutions na I personally made, mga app reviews that I actually do for parang may idea na yung mga tao who's gonna be watching it, na I was gonna be checking out different apps. At least may idea na sila. I do tutorials as well. May webinars nga, yun nga. And then, yan, 101 done for you. So, ito lang, ay very simple lang. Gusto ko lang i-share that this week's kind of productive rin naman. I was able to finish another mini application na prototype rin for one of the participants who joined, no? Like, he was looking into his, paano niya ma-convert yung rich text format into a legacy HTML because their application, your software uses legacy system. So, naintindihan na niya HTML, no? So, ang ginagamit niya Dreamweaver just to be able to translate it into HTML, no? So, natulungan ko rin naman siya sa awa ng Diyos, nakagawa rin ako. And then I sent it to him, like just as prototype lang naman, just to be able to check whether it's working or not. Ano ba? Wala namang kwento. Like, I'm now preparing for the webinar this coming Saturday, which is on Google AI Studio, which is how I pretty much use to prototype different kinds of app, and then I move it to Claude Code to improve the application and to connect it to a proper database kung okay siyang gawing full on application, no. So far isa pa lang nagawa ko na ganun, which is the financial track or expense tracker na for Pinoys na ginawa ko, no. Anyway, this is just like a build in public update number one lang. So day one ko lang to. Sana maging consistent, umabot ng day 150 or 300, day 365. No? So tignan natin kung sisipagin tayo at kaya ng ating powers to continue. No? So but anyways, I just wanted to say, if whoever's watching, no, keep building. No, I hope you guys follow also AI for Pinoys. And yeah, yun lang. Good night.